How to fix Marvel Rivals not launching on your Windows 11. First step is opening your Epic Games Launcher and going to the library. Then click these three dots over here and click Manage. Now you'll see you'll have to verify your files. This may take some time, so just be patient. And now test the game. If it doesn't work, go to your installation, then click the folder icon. Your file location will then open. Now find Marvel Rivals Launcher.exe. Go to Properties and click Compatibility tab. Then Run as Administrator. Click Apply and OK. Then close and right-click again and click Run as Administrator. Next thing you can do is on your Windows search, go to your Device Manager and update your driver. So go to your display adapters, right-click your NVIDIA, update your drivers, then follow these steps. Sometimes this may be the cause of the problem. Next you can do is you can update through NVIDIA. You can download this online. Then go to drivers. Then click download. This will automatically update your driver. Next thing you can do is turning off your Defender firewall. So just go to your Windows Defender firewall. Then just click on Turn Windows Defender firewall on and off. Then turn it off. Click OK and try to launch the game again. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.